Okay, we got our, our repair sleeve came in. So it's just a straight sleeve, it threads anyway. So this can go right through the whole case and fall in there too if we're not careful. Time for interruptions. So we use a stock plug. So we're going to have to tap this thing in, but we're not going to tap it all the way through so that this will bottom out. So it won't go all the way through. That way it'll be, you don't have to worry about it falling into the case. So, alright, we'll be back. How about that one? Does that one work? There we go. We're good to go. Where did we leave off? We got to tap it. So what's tap drill on a 3/4 16? You know that back of your head?
Nope.
I'm going to guess 3/4 inch. Yeah, probably 11/16. Let's see, 3/4 16, right? 11/16. Yeah, good guess, huh? Okay, you got 11/16 framer?
Sure we can find one then.
You think? You think I got one?
Potentially a couple.
Got two of them, huh? What size 11/16? I forget. It's 8 something. Or 7 something, excuse me. Probably 670. 680. So we are around here at 690,000 down there. Start with the big one right in front. That's the easiest one. That's not 600, that's 700. You need to go down the other line down there. Something like down here. How about this one? That's 689,000. That's 11/16. Can you read that on there somewhere?
Negative. Oh, no.
Something else. Is that writing or just more scratches?
I think it's some type of writing, but...
Okay, good. It's the right one then. Goes right in there. Actually, this is actually what we got. Be a bitch if you put the wrong one in through it. Yep, 690. It was 680 something over there, 688 and a half, I think. Okay, where's your Chingas? You got a Chingas? Ooh, look at that. Highfalutin. Another problem. How close it is. That was a big improvement, wasn't it?
It was.
Okay, so I'm gonna have to just kind of guess on where the center is going to be on this job. It wobbles around so much we don't know. Threads disappeared, or at least some of them.
Lucky they were junk.
Good. Cut more on this side than that side. That's a big plus. See, there's still some threads left here. They're not on this side. These threads are gone on this side because there's a couple on that side. All right, so we got the right one, I hope. Because it's just screwed upward. We've already gone up 3 times bigger already.
Okay.
Not much left. All right, so we're gonna draw this.
Different chalk.
A bigger chuck? I have a bigger chuck. It doesn't quite work, but make it work. I don't know, that might grab. Perfect, you grabbed. We're a little off.
Well,
I need my exercise anyway. a job for you to do. Power feed. Workout. Not enough, see? See, that'll bottom out and the tap will keep going. We'll pull the threads right out. Maybe we'll go higher. You going higher?
A little high.
I'm warmed up now. Okay, we're going to center this up and see how close we are. Okay, I went down the hole that time. Why am I tired? Oh shit.
I thought we weren't going to go all the way through.
We weren't going to go all the way through. Damn it. Yep, I can do that right, didn't I? Oh well. Wrong. Don't do it that way. Too late. Let's go plan B.
And B.
Yeah.
Not welding, are we?
We haven't made the plan B yet. You know what plan B is?
No.
It's called green Loctite and screw up the threads a little bit. You thought that was empty, didn't you? Loctite does not stick to oil. How clean that is now. I still got some left. Okay. All right, so when you screw stuff up, you have to come up with a different way of fixing it. So how are you gonna fix it again?
Green Loctite and jack the threads up a little.
No, that was it. I'll come back to you. Damn, that was too long and stood. You grab some, where'd you get that from?
Oh, this one.
Oh. I never use those. I use the ones over there. Same one. Much better. We'll use that one next time. Okay. So, who screwed that up anyway? Oh yeah, it was me. Okay, so we need to dimple it a little bit. You ever done this to dimple?
No.
He's like Mr. Prick, but different. See, that's dimple. Prick has a sharp edge. Mr. Dimple has a dull edge. be dimpled. Basically, we're going to have to do a little damage control here. So I want to push on this, not over here. So I need something to go in here that's big and flat and won't cause any issues. Looks like it might work, especially if we go that direction. Yeah, you like that one?
Perfect.
Why is this table so high? Damn.
Can we pull it now?
No. So what we're going to do is we're going to screw up the first thread here a little bit. That hurts. I think I dulled the aluminum and I hit on my finger. See the first dimple? Oh, that hurt my finger though. That was too close to the edge. So it would be more like that way over here. I feel that in my fingers still. Too close. Alright. That hurt. Still hurts. We know which one has less drag on it.
Yeah.
Why's that finger hurt? Feels like somebody hit it with something. Okay. Trying to think of. I think we got enough in there. We'll find out. Some blood back in my finger. There's a hole right there. Where did that come from? How'd that happen?
It's a mystery.
Pinned it for screwing it up. Deserved it. Alright. Oh, a lot of Loctite. See, normally I don't use a lot of Loctite, but this time of year we're going to use a lot. Make sure it's got plenty of Loctite on there. Yeah, it still hurts. I complain about that for a while. At least until it quits hurting. I should drop something on my foot. It won't hurt no more.
Even it out.
Yeah. Okay, we need something to turn this with that's big and strong. So not a little 6-inch crescent wrench. Because if it starts to lock up, we want to be able to keep going. Close yet? tight. See, that's what I want to do without all the dimpling. I still gotta use a Loctite though. Alright.